Welcome everyone. My name is Oneida Garcia, and the topic I decided to base my presentation on is water pollution in the Central Valley. Central Valley is well known by its agriculture and dairy farms, and it is responsible for the production of about half of the country's demand of fruits, vegetables, and nuts, as well as many dairy products. Agricultural non-point sources pollution is one of the major causes of water pollution. The use of pesticides containing nitrogen to enhance plants' growth, farm discharges, sediments, and the extensive use of chemicals seems to be a problem that is out of control in agricultural practices, leading to surface and underground water pollution. Miller and Spulman, the authors of the book Environmental Science, explain that surface water has the ability to recover and clean itself after it becomes contaminated, but only to an extent and only if we do not overload it with too many pollutants. Groundwater, on the other hand, cannot clean itself after it becomes contaminated. Also, according to Miller and Spulman, our ocean waters are also suffering the consequences of human activity pollution, as it absorbs vast amounts of nitrate from sewage runoffs and agricultural waste. But our ocean waters are also vulnerable to pollution from oil spills. In 2010, the Deepwater Horizon drilling platform exploded and released about 206 million gallons of crude oil, covering the coast of Texas and Florida. This is considered the worst oil spill that has taken place in U.S. waters, resulting in $15 billion in damages and fines. Water pollution is an increasing concern among Americans, according to Justin McCarthy, the author of the article. In U.S., water pollution worries highest since 2001. Americans' concern over pollution in drinking water has grown since 2001, according to this graph. Water pollution is a global issue, and it tends to be a bigger problem in developing countries where they lack of proper sanitary conditions and the authorities do not invest on preventing the issue. They not only face having unsanitary drinking water, but water scarcity in general. The water scarcity in developing countries force them to drink any water they can find, putting in risk their own health. Drinking polluted water is one of the leading causes of death among children, according to Barbara Frost, the author of the article, Dirty Water, the Child Killer We Can Stop. This graph shows us a list of the countries that are considered the top 9 water polluters around the planet. This information is according to the article, Countries that are the greatest water polluters, published on Anarchy.com. As you can see, China and United States are leading the group. I live in a rural area of Stanislaus County, where our only resource of water is underground water. So I decided to take this research further and test our water. I performed the test of pesticide, lead, nitrate, copper, iron, pH, and hardness. I was relieved when I got the results because it looks like our well has a good quality of water. And this is my work cited. I hope you enjoy my presentation and I am looking forward to hear your feedback.